So investor attitude in the cryptocurrency space has changed a lot. Now, initially when I first started in funds management in cryptocurrency in 2017, it was a very nascent market. Fast forward to 2019, we're seeing sufficient infrastructure built so that larger institutions can really take a stake in this new emerging asset class. Now what we have over $10 billion traded in liquidity per day for Bitcoin. This isn't a small market anymore. And so we're seeing this demand from larger investment organizations come into the market now. And that's where Stack becomes relevant.
My initial experiences with the cryptocurrency space, people were keen to get in. A lot of funds were keen to set up trading desks, but none of them were happy with any custody solution out there. The tech guys, Coinbase, the smarter guys, didn't satisfy them. They were self-insured, which is great until you get hacked.
The idea of self-custody may have appealed to cypherpunks and anarchists, but for a lot of old money, they want to be able to be sure that their money is kept in good hands and kept in careful stewardships. Now Bitcoin has grown to the point where there's serious demand coming out of these guys to find a solution to be able to store Bitcoin.
How they store it, where they store it, and putting custody aside, right? Not many providers actually do have 100% insurance on Bitcoin itself.
So think about that process just for a minute. What Stack has done is essentially wrapped that whole process into one clean and easy traditional vehicle. So institutions can now take exposure into the physical underlying, completely insured, safe, clean, and transparent.
Any tranche of investors, hedgers, speculators, arbitrageurs, whatever participant in the financial markets to look at digital assets, Bitcoin in this case, those people first have to figure out what stage it's at. So it's been difficult for any institution to come in and be able to substantiate to their shareholders or to whoever they're trading for the validity of this thesis.
However, networking with a lot of investors who are running macro hedge funds, a lot of them are talking about Bitcoin as an alternative to gold. Either they're investing it with their own personal money, which I think is the majority of the case, or they might have started at, convincing their LPs to invest in Bitcoin. But definitely the wave is coming.
So the bottom line is this: if you're an institution that wants to trade Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, and you must adhere to traditional fiduciary duties, then Stack really is your only option.